And the phone pass. Here's Villanueva. That basket will not count. No? It's going to be a foul against Ralimi. Well, you know, these two teams, a lot of, I would call crossover stories here. Coach Ryan Gregorio actually got his break in the PBA through the phone pals. Actually, then Mobiline wasn't even an assistant coach. He was actually preparing game tapes for Coach Eric Altamirano. That's how he got his break. And then on the other end, Coach Chot Reyes, of course, you all know, he has a rich history coaching the Pure Foods franchise, winning a number of championships as its head coach.
I believe at that time it was Coney Island.
Coney Island, and then eventually Pure Foods as well. There's Cardona. This is the first. Here's our No Fear Fearless move of the game. Brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the balls for it. Peter Jun Simon. You know, Peter Jun Simon's role now for Pure Foods, actually, yan din yung papel noon ni Bong Ravena when he used to play for Pure Foods. Bong Ravena now part of the coaching staff of the phone pass. I believe he's celebrating his birthday either today or on Friday. Tomorrow. Advance happy birthday, Coach Bong Ravs.
One-time Rookie of the Year.
Here's Cardona to Belano. Belano to Retualo. Retualo, top of the key. In and out. Villanueva with the rebound.
Pure Foods got away with another one right there. Libre na naman. Ito si Renren Retualo.
That's a turnover.
Turnover. Starting to creep up on the part of Pure Foods. Kanina may problema sa turnover. Itong mga phone pass. But last couple of possessions, itong Pure Foods unable to get good shots up, either because of good defense of Talk and Text or more often dahil sa mga turnover nila.
Belano with a pull-up. Wala na tapik na punta kay Roger Yap. So far, Raimundo would be the primary option here along with James Yap. As always, Ralimi on the bench. Here's Villanueva. Roger Yap on the move. Sidestep outside James Yap. 4-3. Rebound para kay Yancy De Ocampo.
Same thing that Pure Foods was doing kanina, which is a 2-3 zone. Binigay na rin ang Talk and Text sa Pure Foods. Pure Foods also struggling to score on that zone defense of Talk and Text.
17 to shoot. And Salvador will miss. Rebound para kay Cardona. Takbuhan ng phone pals dito. 3-on-3 break. Cardona does not care. And he gets a foul. Second person na laban kay Roger Yap. McGee is back on the floor. And then on cue, itong si Ralimi. In the next dead ball situation, ibabalik na rin ng Pure Foods. 7:05 remaining in the ball game. Phone pals looking for win number 8 and solo leadership sa team standings. Here's Retualo on the run. Retualo to Alapag. Cross court McGee for 3 short. Villanueva meron ng 8 rebounds sa larong ito. Here's James Yap. Block. Foul.
Pure Foods unable to break that 2-3 zone defense of Talk and Text. Pagkakataon na yun, ginawa ni James Yap. Bago pa mag-set up yung depensa, inatake niya agad and he lucky enough to pick up a foul.
Pang-apat laban kay Yancy De Ocampo. James Yap had a slow start in tonight's ball game, but caught fire just in time para dito sa Pure Foods, and those belong to the best dressed coach in all of basketball. I mean, not just Philippines, all of basketball. He's the only person I know who can wear mega charol shoes and get away with it. Kita mo naman yung diferensya. Oh. Yung sapatos si Bong Ravena napaka-conservative.
Tsaka parang yung pintura niya.
Iba.
Parang naka-turtle wax.
Wet look. At Armor All. Here's Yancy De Ocampo for 3. Yes, sir.
Vigo, that's the forgotten man right there. Yancy De Ocampo. First half, he had 14 points. That's only his first basket of the second half. And where does he get it again? From three-point region.
Hindi naman nakabawi doon si Kirby Raimundo. We're tied. Here's Yancy. Retualo, look out! Here's Salvador. To Raimundo.
Oh, what a layup. Guy 6'6", full steam of speed. Still with the ability to change hands in the air. Ito si Kirby Raimundo.
18 points para kay Raimundo. Balik ang lamang sa Pure Food, 72-70. Lagpas kalahati na tayo dito sa fourth and final quarter. 8 to shoot for the Phone Pals, and it's a turnover. Meantime, Cardona is sent back in para kay Retualo.
You just got a glimpse of Coach Shot Reyes wondering why this team can't continue to make that run. And I was just looking at him also. Baka nakikita niya rin sarili niya doon sa sapatos niya pag nakatingin siya pababa.
Sabi niya, ba't ko ba nasuot to? No, but really, Talkitex having problems taking care of that basketball. Yun ang nagiging pamatay sunog para sa kanila. Meantime, here's James Yap on the right side. 2 to shoot. Yap for 3. Napatulis. Roger Yap with a big offensive rebound.
You have to love guards that are willing to just run in and pick up the loose ball somewhere near the middle to give your team another opportunity.
Here's Raimundo. James Yap for 3. Yes, sir! And you can tell, Antipolo is Pure Foods country.
Napakabigat if you give a team 3 opportunities to score, and 2 of those 3 opportunities actually belong to James Yap.
So TM3 yun para kay James Yap. 5-point lead para sa Pure Foods. De Ocampo for 3. Not really squared for the shot. Bola na kay Jonathan Salvador.
That time around, it was the first time that he had to take that 3-point shot in front of a defender. And that's what happens. Pag may depensa, yung shooting percentage mo definitely bababa.
Easy layup para kay Reda Ralimi. And now, palitan ng puntos dito para sa dalawang koponan. But Pure Foods getting the edge here in this fourth quarter shootout. Lamang na ng 7. 77-70. As we enter this 30-second timeout here inside the Inares Center. If you just joined us, it was all talk and text in the first quarter. But here in the second half, Pure Foods really dictating the tempo here. Ralimi, James Yap, Kirby Raimundo all coming to life. Also Roger Yap contributing some big plays here down the stretch.
That extra offensive rebound para na nakita natin kanina, that assist to Ralimi. And like you said, Pure Foods dictating the tempo. Dito sa quarter na to, there's one team in this game, there's one team that is always on their heels. And in this quarter, in the last couple of minutes, it has been Pure Foods making Talkitex get on their heels as they, like you said, dictate the tempo.
Nakataya dito yung 2-game winning run ng Phone Pals. 9 to shoot. Here's Alapag. Yancy De Ocampo for 3. Alapag offensive rebound. Alapag fires. No go. And Roger Yap saves the ball over for James Yap. And he'll get the layup. What a play.
2 great plays para sa Pure Foods. Kirby Raimundo keeping the ball alive. Roger Yap kept the ball alive and combined it with an assist.
And there's a steal. James Yap, by the way, with 20 big points. What a second half turnaround for the former MVP.
Kanina nabanggit natin, in the first half, he only had 2 points. Both of those points coming from the free throw line. Roger Yap, another Yap that has come alive dito sa ating second half.
That's why 2 Yaps are better than 1. 6 points for Roger Yap, who's making impact plays here in the fourth and final quarter. At biglang lumayo ang Pure Foods 81-70 as we enter this 30-second talk and text timeout. Biglang